We are now at Hersheypark. So we were actually at Hershey World. Now we're at Hersheypark, where you can ride the rides. And it's so cool! And look at that out there. It's so huge. And in the middle of that, on the, what is it called? The Ferris wheel? That's what they have in the middle.
So we are currently waiting for them to open up, and we're in the store, keeping warm. Whoa. We thought we would be coming on a warm day, but then the temperature dropped by like midweek, but we had already made the tickets. So we're gonna try and enjoy ourselves and try to stay warm. Hersheypark opens up about from 2 to 9 during the winter festivities. Let's check out the store. We just went to a huge store at the factory.
Yeah, he did. Mom, we could use the Lego roller coaster for our village.
Oh, they got a Lego roller coaster?
And conservation, all with the help of some very special Flipbird friends. Now, speaking of Flipbird friends, it looks like our first star is joining us here today, so I'd love to give her formal introduction. She is our 13-year-old female Atlantic Harbor seal. Right now, she weighs about 150 pounds. Can you all put your hands together for Mango? Very nicely done, Mango. A lot of people do wonder where we get our animals from, and it is important to remember that in the United States, it is illegal to take any marine mammal from the wild, and it has been that way for a very long time. So any marine mammal you see in a zoological environment was either born there, came from a different facility, or was in fact a rescued animal from the wild. And I bring this up because Mango actually is one of our rescued animals from the wild. So Mango was found stranded off the coast of Maine when she was a pup, and she was very malnourished and dehydrated. So she was rescued and brought into a rehabilitation center, given around-the-clock care and nursed back to health, and released back out into the wild. But unfortunately, Mango did strand for a second time. So once again, she was rescued, rehabilitated, and re-released, but unfortunately, Mango did strand for a third time. So it was after this third stranding that the United States government stepped in, and they deemed her non-releasable because she simply wasn't showing the skills necessary to survive on her own out in the wild. This is where accredited zoos and aquariums play a very important role in stepping in and giving these animals a second chance at life and a forever home. So Mango here went to the Brookfield Zoo in Illinois, where she spent the first 8 years of her life learning and growing, until she joined us here at Hersheypark and with Oceans of Fun in the spring of 2015. We definitely love having her here. As you can tell, she has a great big personality, and she really helps us to do our most important job, which is educating audiences just like you guys about the struggles these animals face out in the wild, while also highlighting the importance of zoos and aquariums. Mango's really doing an excellent job out there today. Can we put our hands together for her?
Yay!
Excellent job, Mango. One of the most important aspects of our training here is what is called husbandry care. It's very important that we are able to examine our animals on a daily basis.
Perfect. Who else gonna be feeding?
Three-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich.
We're on the monorail. It's a little bumpy ride.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Hersheypark Christmas Candyland. Tonight we have our Noel light show right here to our right. They start at 5 o'clock and they go every 15 minutes until park closing.
Oh, the sea lions! say seats on it. You're right. There's Zoo America. Oh, the car?
Cars. I know. We're going over a road.
Oh, there's a train! I know.
Well, Jack, can I just see some animals? We're going to go to the zoo. We're going to go to the zoo.
Looks like a company. Oh, look at the Tic Tac cars!
Oh, Reese, Hershey, Kiss, Kit Kat. That is amazing, Dad. We're going over it again.
We're now approaching Zoo America. Zoo America is free with the Hersheypark ticket.
Whoa, that's close and fast.
Check the website for available hours.
There's Zoo America. Oh, look, there's a cat down there.
Oh, there's the beans.
Some different deer and turkey.
Oh, there's a bear. Bear,
Oh,
look. Get it,
oh,
Molly.
quickly,
Get it.
quickly.
What's this? Owls. Woo, woo.
Molly, look, the wolf.
Oh, yeah, the wolves.
The wolf.
Oh, there's a second
That bear was out perfect. Bear.
Hersheypark is home. Really cool roller coaster. And they have available for Candy Lane and D-Million. That's 8.20. To our right, we have Sidewinder. And then we also have in the back of the park, we have Lab Track, Wildcat, and Wildmount.
Whoa, there's another one. Shoot it. There's a prison right there. Oh, yeah, there's one. Oh, there's a train. Oh, there's
Yeah, that's a train, Holly.
pirate ship. Oh, yeah.
Your safety would be watch your arm.
There's the pirate ship.
Please remain seated to the right comes full and complete stop in the station.
So we're going to get some rides. So it's this way.
Yep. We're going to go see some rides. We just ate some good dinner.
Yep, at the food court.
Oh, yep. Someone's been eating.
Yeah, somebody tried to open one because they actually thought that there was a present in there.
Uh-oh, I think Mommy lost her.
Close.
Yes. Oh, nope, they're in my pocket.
What is it?
My gloves. Oh, here, down here's the light. have some pretty cool light displays here. Oh, the trolley's going by up here. We did the trolley earlier, or the tram.
Can we do it again?
The monorail.
Yeah.
Excited guys, we're about to see reindeer.
If you have any further questions, they're down at the end. We'd be happy to answer them for you. But we do have lots of other excited guests to meet the reindeer tonight as well. So I do hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Hersheypark and have a very happy Thanksgiving.
Hi guys, we're on the train, so we're going to show you all the pretty lights. It's starting to get dark out, so we can see everything pretty bright and colorful. So let's check out the train ride. Boys are in front of us. Advance for Amtrak must sponsor this for 25% more discount. There's some lights off to the other side of us too.
What is that?
2 people already liked it, and somebody already commented before I could even edit it. I was like, wow, that's quick.
People must not have anything to do on Facebook. We just posted a picture and it was, people responded pretty quick. Oh, look, the towers over there are lit up. Red and green and white. Going over a bridge.
Oh, this was the one that we saw in the monorail, and I thought it was a roller coaster.
Oh, we got a horse and a buggy, lights. And there's rings of lights above us that we're going through. I'm having a hard time figuring out. Okay, so that's a skier, guy that fell,
A slider.
a sled. I have no, maybe that person's jumping. I'm not sure.
Skier. A skier. These are all skiers.
There's Merry Christmas. Oh, look, the monorail has lights on the roof.
Yeah, you never noticed that?
No, I didn't notice that. That's cute. Maybe we'd had that before, but with Christmas season, it looks pretty.
Oh, there's a reindeer.
Yep, there's lights everywhere.
And this one has the antlers on it too. Oh, look, the factory. Oh, look, you see that? Oh, it's a machine.
Oh, there's like a tall Christmas tree tower.
Look at the elf on the train.
Mom, look.
Mm-hmm.
Put the basket in.
Oh, they're putting candy canes in the basket. That place right there would be spooky for Halloween. Ooh. Yeah. The train on the other side.
What's the buggy with the carriage?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Kids ride every day for 50% off.
Oh, now we got some speed going. Got some pressure.
There's a roller coaster. Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that dangerous to put lights on a roller coaster?
I don't think that roller coaster must be running then. Oh, look, there's a dog waving. There's a little tail.
They're working on the film roller coaster.
That's cute. Oh, the pretty blue lights ahead. Oh my goodness, it is getting cold out.
Yeah, it is.
Oh look, they're all sledding down the hill. park has some blue lights.
Well, 14 days of, oh yeah, whatever I said, sorry. Oh, those are one of the old-fashioned lights. Oh, there's spirits from one of the old spirits. No, it's not that one. It's an older one. Oh, Mom, they even got like a shed for their trains.
Oh yeah? That roller coaster back there's all lit up.
Look, Daniel, the roller coaster back there with the lights. Let's go look at that one lit up red.
Over tunnel! Yeah, see it. I think our ride is almost coming to an end. Yeah, the red trees and blue are pretty. Oh, the ride is over. Thanks for joining us.